Hello everybody and welcome back. This video, we're back on the D2 Evo two-wheel drive buggy. So I'm getting ready to run some carpet, changing over to 17.5 stock. So sway bars is what I've been after. I've got the rear sway bars. I've already done that video. It's all set up using the D418 sway bars. Now it's onto the front. I've got the sway bars from the D418, bought the kit. So I'm going to get the camera turned around to POV view and I'll show you how I did it. Okay, so here we go. D2 Evo two-wheel drive buggy sway bars. I've got the rears done. Did a video on that already. So now my fronts came in earlier than expected, so I got on that last night and got them on there. So I'm going to show you what I did. So to start off, I used, the kit comes with these ball cups here, and these screw-on ball cups with the set screw that goes on the sway bar here. So I used, with the kit, it came with a ball stud, put that in the ball cup. A little bit different than the rear. The rear needs to be a little taller, so I used this type of ball cup that's open on the end with 2 millimeters worth of shims in there. I used some short ball studs I had. I'm not sure where those came from, but they're shorter than normal. The front is a little longer. They're the only ones I had. They're actually the rear inner ball stud from a D418. I had them as spares, so I just went ahead and used those. So with the sway bar kit, I used the ball cup, the ball stud that comes with it, into the ball cup. And as far as the bar goes, I had to do a little bit of work to it, so I'll show you what I did. Here is the normal sway bar. You can see it goes out a little wider, similar to the rear. So first thing I did was bend this piece straight and bend these two in. You can see how much I did. It's about if I were to guess, you're bending the outer part in about a ½ inch. But first, I'll go ahead and do this one so I can show you. I take my duckbill pliers and grab it here on the flat spot, make sure it's parallel, and bend it straight. Not too worried about getting it perfectly straight because I'm going to have to cut it off. So what I end up doing is taking a ½ inch off of it. So I'll get my caliper set up to ½ inch and make a mark. The setting doesn't have to be super precise. Come think of it, I don't think I cut quite that much off. Let's start with 3/8 of an inch. So basically you're cutting just right past the bend. And it's vary a little bit according to what ball stud you end up using. I'll probably go with a little shorter ball stud. I may have to trim a tiny bit more. So there's that. Let's take my Dremel and cutoff wheel. Get off any burrs on the edges. All right, so there's that. All right, so now you can see, hope you can see, we've got to bend these in about 1 inch. So you just take your time, do a little bit at a time. You don't want to bend this too much, you're going to get it weak. I'm just going to look at this one and bend it till it looks about right, and I'll test fit it later. It's pretty close. A little more on this one. And I'll test fit that later, but that's pretty close. So that's pretty much the shape I came up with, and it seems to work fine. I just test fit it until it looks right and the ball cups are going straight up. Only one concern I have is these hang down a little low. Probably going to get a ball stud that's a little shorter to help with that. I don't know if that's going to snag on the carpet. It shouldn't, because the arms are going to go up when with the tire. So anyway, that's it. So now we got front and rear sway bars one step closer to being ready for carpet. Hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time.